Unlock the power of seamless PDF interaction directly within your Flutter apps. Let's dive into integrating PDF capabilities into your Flutter project first. You'll need to add the necessary PDF package to your project's dependencies. This is typically done by editing your pubspec.yaml file and then running a package get command to download the library. Navigate to your project's pubspec.yaml, and under the Dependencies section, you'll need to add the specific PDF package. Common choices include PDF for creation and Flutter PDF View for viewing once added. Save the file. This action will trigger Flutter to fetch and install the package. After adding the dependency, open your terminal or command prompt in your project's root directory. Execute the command to fetch the new package. You'll see output, indicating the download and installation process. Now, to display a PDF, you'll typically use a dedicated widget provided by the viewing package. This widget will act as a container where your PDF document will be rendered. You'll need to provide the source of the PDF file to this widget, which could be from local storage or a network URL. The PDF viewing widget usually requires you to specify the path to your PDF file or a URL. If it's hosted online, you'll also find properties for controlling aspects like zoom, page navigation, and even handling page rendering callbacks. These allow for fine-tuning the user experience. With the widget configured and the PDF source provided, your document will appear within your app. Users can then interact with it naturally, scrolling through pages, zooming in and out, just as they would with a dedicated PDF reader. Beyond viewing, many packages also allow for PDF creation. This usually involves a separate set of APIs to define the content, layout, and styling of your PDF. You'll programmatically add text, images, and other elements to build your document from scratch. The creation process typically involves initiating a PDF document object, adding pages, and then populating those pages with your desired content once defined. You can save this generated PDF to a file or share it directly from your application. By mastering these packages, you can significantly enhance your Flutter applications with robust PDF viewing and creation features, offering a truly integrated and user-friendly experience for your audience.